Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your idea?
My idea is to take one of these icicles, I'll snap it off, and I'll write that same thing on the ground, and then each one of us will put our handprint around it.
That might be a little bit though. Alex is gonna sleep in.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
Look at all this
Why don't you
snow.
walk in there barefoot, Ken, and show us how tough you are.
Okay.
Walk through this.
I don't have
You
any
gotta go
shoes.
slow, otherwise it gets colder. If you go fast. it's
No,
colder.
it doesn't.
Yeah.
No, he's right. It's true.
Gotta go to the grill and back. Nice, clean footprints.
And it's so cold. It's so cold. It's so cold.
Oh, you gotta take a picture of your feet with the snow on them. That looks cool.
Go stick your foot in the toilet.
Ew. I can't even stand. It hurts.
Put them in the jacuzzi. That'll warm them.
Good morning. Today is December 20th, 2018, if you guys didn't know that. But we are still in Big Sky, Montana. We just got back from snowmobiling yesterday in Yellowstone. You'll see the clips before this, hopefully, as long as they don't get deleted again. But we just finished with that. We had a really long day today, so the boys are sleeping in. My mom and dad are in the jacuzzi. I'm just doing my own little thing. I'm editing, things like that. Today's going to be a pretty chill day because, like I said, yesterday we had a really long day. But it was absolutely amazing. I would highly recommend snowmobiling. We did Output, who we did it with right here, but it was Two Top Snowmobile Tours. I think that's what it's called. Two Top something. Our guide's name was Murphy. It was her birthday. Really cute. I really recommend her. She's been in Yellowstone for about 11 years now, so she knows her stuff. The only bummer is that when you're snowmobiling, you can't stop on your own since it is a guided tour. Even though we're on a private tour, we still couldn't stop on our own. We had to just hope that she would see something. Like if we saw, like let's say we saw a moose or something, we couldn't stop unless she stopped. So unless she saw it, we couldn't stop, which was a little bit of a bummer, but she had a really good eye. We saw a lot of bald eagle, which we have never seen in Yellowstone National Park before. We also saw a lot of swans. Those two we weren't expecting at all, but we saw a ton of them. The coolest thing I would say is we saw a coyote, and he was jumping up and down to see where his prey was. So that was really cool. I keep on brushing my hair. I don't know why. It's not gonna get any cuter. Let's talk about today. So again, like I said, today is going to be a pretty chill day. We don't really have a lot planned. We might go ice skating later. We might go tubing. We might do this, might do that. But yeah, we're gonna make some pancakes now. So I'm gonna go eat because I'm hungry. And I will talk to you all soon. So right now we are in the car headed to Lone Mountain, which is the mountain where Big Sky Resort is on, where you can ski and snowboard, which Alex really enjoys that, we all know. But we're headed up there just to see what else is up there besides the resort. So ooh, that is really bright. That is really bright. But yeah, we're just headed up the mountain, see what we can see, and then go back and eat lunch.
They probably just have like a snowmobile with like a thing attached to the back for that one. So I don't like, yeah, there's no way.
Alright guys, this is my new house right here. Yeah, I just bought it and it's beautiful. This is my other house. Very beautiful. Dad, why are you driving past my house?
Ski resorts.
So we found a bunch of new homes. Not really expecting that, but Alex, is this gonna be where you live? Are you gonna live here someday?
Sure.
Nice. Are you gonna buy me a house too?
If I can afford it.
Nice. You heard it here, folks. Alex Subert is gonna buy me a house.
These are all condos, not even houses.
Oof. Need to turn that brightness down. Alright. So we made it to Medicine Village, which is about 2 miles away from where we were. You can see that there's pretty much a whole huge parking lot. Just some more ski places up the mountain. You could see all the ski slopes, but then over here, and we have my father. But look how beautiful this is. Like, it's so insane. So beautiful. Look how pretty this is. So pretty. Look how filthy this car is. I now see how filthy cars can get here in Montana. This is only after a few days. So, everyone decided to go against me. Oh, you're very dark. Everyone decided to go against me and not go ice skating. They would rather go sledding. How rude.
Oh well.
I don't believe that's how it went down.
That's not how it went down at all.
No,
You did not skate.
You said
So I can
I
go
can
either
ice
way.
skate anywhere. I
This
already
is
know
fake
how to
news.
ice skate.
Fake news. Fake news. Boo.
I'm
You just
just.
like to throw me under the bus for your little cool blog.
Oh
so
yeah,
I'm
I
the
do.
villain.
The villain of the vlog.
But no, we're going skating right now in this suit, Dad. Oh, we're going skating right now in this suit, Dad. Oh, we're going skating right now in this suit. Dad. Explain it. You're the one who got it.
Got what?
This sled.
Super saucer.
Oh, the super saucer.
Super
There
saucer.
was no price on it, and the lady said $12. I said sold, and I bought it.
So, look how cool it is.
Yes.
Wow. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Right now we are roasting marshmallows. Oh yeah, looking good, Dad.
Thanks.
Let me brighten this up a little bit so you can see my mama. Ooh, it's cold out here. We're roasting these marshmallows on the grill. They're really hard to roast on a grill. What do you think, Mom? What are your thoughts on it?
It's very chilly out here.
Very cold.
See my breath.
Nice. Wait. Ooh, Alex is getting in the action now.
Get out of the way, poser.
Graham cracker. Gotta get another piece of graham.
What do you think Grams's
That works.
marshmallow would look like if she's cooking one over a fire? Should we just start talking like our ice cream cone?
Wow. We burnt to a crisp.
That's right.
No.
Oh, it stinks.
Nice open. Don't drop it.
So hey guys, sorry for the super bad lighting. Hopefully I can fix it in post. If not, I'm really sorry. And sorry if this video is a little bit shaky too. I'm just holding my camera up and it's really heavy. The struggle is real. It is 8:25. It's a little early, but A, I go to bed really early. You'll figure that out. And B, we have an early morning. So tomorrow we are going to the Grand Tetons. That's why I'm going to bed pretty early. So if you guys don't know where that is, it pretty much borders Yellowstone National Park. I'll put it on the screen for y'all where exactly it is, just in case you want to know. But I just want to hop on here and end the vlog and say thank you for watching. I'm so happy that I can share these memories with you. Hopefully you are learning something about Montana, about traveling to Montana, and about how gorgeous it is. Because to me, Montana is one of my favorite states and I love traveling there. I feel like it's pretty underrated though. Like, I don't hear a lot of people talking about it. So that's a bummer, but it is absolutely gorgeous. There are some bigger towns in Montana, but mainly it's very vast. I'll leave it at that. It's very vast, very big state, but absolutely gorgeous. Especially the night sky in Montana, since there's not a lot of light pollution. It's insane. So hopefully you're learning something about this. This is our first time staying in Big Sky. Absolutely beautiful too. Highly recommend the ski resort here. So it's mainly for advanced and black diamond, but that's a good thing for a beginner like me because there's like no one on the beginner slopes, which is an amazing time to learn it, where I cannot hit anyone. But I definitely recommend that resort and just Montana in general. Again, it's absolutely gorgeous. Like, I'm sure the people who have been to Montana will contest, but I absolutely love it. So yeah, I just want to hop on and say thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like down below. And I just really appreciate it, and I'm glad I can share these memories with you.